Dweud y galw y Bêl. O'i flaen e, nôl mae Bala mynd. Kate. Hwna dros Ben Chubb. Mendes. Yn ei gadael i Will Evans ar arbediad. Yn dod gan Lang yn un da. Wel, Lang ddim wedi gofod wneud un byd a pan oedd e'n cyfri, mi oedd e'n effro. Bicker. Mae Cathy sy'n arrediad tu fas iddo fe. A Trosgrw. Harry Owen yn y cwrt. A Lewis Rhys. Ar ymyl y cwrt hefyd. Price yn mynd o bell i hunan. Ond mae'n gamgymeriad Ramsey. Wel, yn casglu ar yr ail gynnig a Lewis Rhys y cael lawr arno fe. Kay. Nat Smith. Kieran Smith ar camgymeriad Harry Owen sy'n manteisio. Harry Owen at Adam Roscoe. Roscoe ar arbediad. Yn ein gwych gan Ramsey. Methu dal arni tro cynta. Yn llwyddo i gasglu yr ail waith. A Roscoe o'r diwedd. Yn herio Ramsey yn gôl.
Overall, I'm happy. Did really well. Clean sheet, which is a plus, massive plus, and good organisation. And we go on to Friday night now.
With that big break that we've had, did it kind of feel like a first game back of the season?
Yeah, it's been like a pre-season. It's difficult to come back. You know, you can organise friendlies as much as we can, but it's been difficult to get friendlies. It always is with the league when it starts and stuff. But it was a good. I thought it was a good competitive game. Not a lot of quality in the game, and it just needed that for one of us to score. And you know, that ball, that cross, and both teams defended crosses really well.
0-0. What did you make of the game, though?
Well, it wasn't one for the purists. That's all I will say. You know, credit to the both sets of players. It's been a long break for both sets, and they've come today. Every team today wanted to start on a positive note. I thought Bala were probably the better team in the first half. They pinned us on that left-hand side, and they worked the ball quite well. We couldn't quite get out. So I think, yeah, it's the old adage and catchphrase, but it's probably a game of two halves. Second half, we started really brightly. I thought we were really good in the first 25 minutes, 30 minutes of the second half, and then the game really just fitted out. We've had the best chance of the game with Adam, and the keeper's made a good smother. Can Adam do better? Possibly, but that's the life of a striker. It's an occupational hazard for them, and you know, we're pleased we've got that clean sheet and a point, because that sets us up, you know, nicely now to go into Tuesday evening.